if you want to buy your hosting from Hostingr, then this is the right time of the year to buy your hosting from Hostingr with amazing coupon codes, because right now the Black Friday deals are open at Hostingr, plus the two of the finest coupon codes which I'm going to show you along with the step-by-step procedure is going to save you a lot of money. So now what you have to do to get this amazing Hostingr coupon code discount is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal already running right now, because the Black Friday deals are going on right now. And with this amount plus additional 10% saving on this, making it around 95% of savings with this black coupon code. So once you click on the link in the description, you are over here, landed over here, where you can see that hosting is being recommended WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, Host Advice, W Beginner. All of them says that Hostinger is the one of the finest companies around, with 4.6 out of 5 rating is a very good rating for any hosting company. And if you scroll below, these are the three most popular plan. Guys, that the coupon code is valid on any plan you are going to choose at Hostinger, but I highly recommend you guys to do a thorough search before you're going to offer any of the plan. Simply select the see all features and do a thorough search and comparison of what feature functions you may need or are priority before you offer any plan. And there are a few things which I want to tell you, that Hostinger has fast, secure and reliable servers. You can create websites in seconds through the powerful AI builder. And in case if you're coming from another hosting company, the website migration procedure at Hostinger is very easy. Anyone can commit, and they have a special tool, plus their agents are going to help you in transferring the website. And the control panel is super easy, super friendly, and the security features are just mind-blowing. And right now 3 million people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and this is the right time of the year to offer your preferred hosting, because right now the special deals are going on, plus the coupon code discount is going to give you a lot of savings. So now you have to choose any plan. Once you are done with the research and planning, simply select the choose plan with any plan you are opt. You can see that the currently Black Friday discount is already added, plus this additional coupon code discount is going to give you discount on already running discounts. So you can see over here, once you select the choose plan, you see that you are landed at the special page. You can see that the Black Friday discount is already over there. And before you select the coupon code, you have to choose your billing period. Hostinger offer a variety of billing periods. I highly recommend you guys to offer the 48 months, so you can save the most amount of money. After you offer a billing period, select the have a coupon code and try this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. After this, simply select the apply over here, and you're going to see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deals. After this, simply select the continue over here, and over here you can see that the discount is already loaded over here. Now you have to write your billing details. After this, simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you're going to scroll below, you're going to select payment method. Hostinger offer a variety of payment methods. You can choose any as per convenience. So you can choose any. Let's say we're going with a credit card. Simply select the credit card, write your billing details, and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can avail the special discount at Hostinger with this coupon code. So yeah, right now the best time is right now, because you can avail a lot of discounts and savings with the Black Friday deal plus special coupon code. So yeah, good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.